Tá súil go mór leis an Craobh agus is cinnte Craobh TG4 gunnaí bíonn skeitmíní ar chuoine agus bíonn skeitmíní ar mhéin. Tá súil go mór leis na caibhlanntí eiceáil. Imar iontacha taí chun cín go leor banaisteoirí a filleadh a ríist is dói ó heh banaisteoir idir chundaide is rud iontacha ar ecinn tún leanúchas sin agus is cinnte ó is dói ó na Craobh Chuaigí freisin feiceann muid go leor go na caibhlanntí a bhí an na blianta fad a siar beidh siad sin an a ríist gunnaí.
It was very disappointing though we went out to Dublin last year. I think we've put down a hard winter and I think our league form has shown that. But at the end of the day we won the league, but the championship is a brand new competition. I suppose we'll look at Munster first and then that sees you into your groups for the All-Ireland stages. So we're just going to take it game by game now.
Last year it was seen as a transition period for the team in general, and I suppose that probably translated a small bit into the championship. We're a young team, maybe an inexperienced team, but we're very lucky that the majority of the girls that were in the squad last year are back again this year. So that'll only bring confidence as well. It'll bring camaraderie, it'll bring us all together, and things have been going well and we're all going in the same direction. So we're hoping to push on a little bit further now this year.
Kind of forgotten about the league now. That's the next year's issue. We still had loads of learning through the league, and I wouldn't change our performances either. I think we performed really well. We were just a little bit unfortunate just to not get the results in the end, but I think all eyes are on championship now. A lot can change between league and the kind of warmer weather as well. So look, we just have to push on and try again for Leinster Championship.
I suppose we were very disappointed by the end of the league that maybe, the one narrow defeat and 2 draws meant that ultimately we weren't promoted. One thing we probably did take from the league that we're hoping to build on for championship was getting players minutes and giving girls chances and opportunities. So we're really hoping to build on that this year.
I think there's actually quite a few learning points that we can take coming out from the league. I think we've learned a lot from each of the games in the league, and we're hoping that over the last couple of weeks we can build on that. There's a good feeling going into heading into championship now, starting next week. The team morale is good, our preparation has been good.
Being able to play for Cavan is something in itself, being able to play without limits. Like we said, the new rules this year that's been introduced is bringing a new level, bringing strength to the game, been introduced, and girls can play to their full potential without being held back. I suppose it's definitely progress.
For me it's the equality, and I think a good step of that is removing or changing the contact rule, because females are physically able for more contact in sport. We train a lot, we're in the gym a lot. The girls are physically strong due to the strength and conditioning training, so I think that's really important.
Coming from Limerick, where we are at a junior level, it's all about striving to be better. And I look at the likes of Meath and teams like that who have come from intermediate and are competing. They've won senior All-Irelands. That's what we're looking towards. And we're trying to find that Limerick Ladies Football isn't limited to being a junior team forever. We want to be better, and building a team that is prepared for that is what we're looking for, yeah.